Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have a package in from BMOS Crafty Corner. I will have her channel linked in the description box. She had a sale on the 8th, I believe, and I got it today. Ugh. I had it sooner, but I worked out a payment plan. Yeah, she's very good about shipping, except I had to make arrangements. And she was cool with that. She will work with you. So, there we go. Alright, just tore it open. So, alrighty, let's see. I picked up, I was like, oh, I bet you these are for the grandkids. She said she was sticking something in for the grandkids, so I bet you these are them. They were cool. Still like them. Alright. She had this cool Cricut paper. To me, it looked mixed media. So, I mean, look at that. That was cool. And once in a while, I don't want to do my own. I want to use something else. So, I saw this. I like the design. Oh, likey. Oh, look at that. It has words. What it says, I can't tell. So that's cool. Different colors. Oh, I like this yellow, blue, and green. Ooh, I like it. See, I knew this looked cool. She did a quick flip through, and it caught my eye when she did the flip through. So that was cool. It is cool. Ooh, look at that one. That is so cool. Ooh, I'm glad I grabbed it. So I got that paper pad. And I got a bonus for helping her. She had a brayer in the sale, and I said I want that. A brayer. I needed another one. And some brushes. That's cool. And then I thought these were cool. They're like ticket stamps. What's that say? I don't know. Something. However you say that word. Oh, that's just a box. I thought that was a stamp. That's the company. It's a cool box though. But this one says Promise. And they look like tickets. Love. Fortune. Look, it's got the queen. And then this says luck. There's the queen too. They all got a queen. Oh, they do. There's the queen there. So I thought them were cool looking. I actually thought this was a stamp. That's funny. Here's a little box. But that's a cool looking box. You can just take that and go like that. And cut that out, and that's a cool little ephemera piece. Look at the hands. So that's cool. I'll never keep my stamps. These will be put in a certain drawer. So that's cool. Then I thought these were neat. These metallic, metal looking butterflies. 3D. I thought those were neat looking. Okay. Damn. And then I got another paper pad. Oh. 6x6, and I thought this was cool looking too. Oh, so I like the looks of the tape measure. See, I use that too. What I'll do is when I take this out, I'll trim this cool ephemera on top. So remember. Oh, I like the looks of this one right here. The tape measures, the rulers, or whatever you want to call them. Wood grain, love wood grain, tablet sheet, notebook paper, atlas, typewriters, excuse me, little flowers, polka dots, and then all of them. Music. Cool. That's a cool paper pad as well. And then there was this bag, and it's made for a certain camera or something, but I ain't using it. I don't even have that, but woo, losing stuff here. I can't remember what that camera's called. Okay. I don't remember. I take those little, it's like a Polaroid real quick. But it had these little frames, mini frames. Oh, I got, let's see, blue, yellow, pink, purple, green, and then this is a little stand-up thing, I guess. Yeah, yeah. Like that. I know, somehow. Imagine like that, and it flips. But I won't be using that like that. I will be taking them out, and these little pictures in there. They're all the same, so you can flip. But I won't be using it like that. And then this are their little stickers. You can do a frame. So you got stars, purple stripes, polka dots. Polka dots. Ooh, bingo in 30 minutes, it says. Woohoo, that's right, it's bingo. Cupcakes, polka dots, diamond shape, purple stars, hearts, zebra prints. Those are cool. Ooh, I like that one. Got that pack just like that. I don't know if these are all the same. Let's check it out to see. Alright. Oh, they're different. That's cool. Ooh, I like that one too. Too cool. And you're all sitting here going, Tina, what are you going to use them for? You didn't buy them for because you had the camera. Nope, I did not. Ooh, let's look at this one. I'll show you after I get them all shown. Ooh, cupcakes again. More cupcakes. Print. Some are so cool. Zebra print, star, Christmassy. Oh, we got another one of them. That's cool. Cupcakes. A lot of them. See, I am not keeping them all in the little bags. Ooh. Hearts. Reminds me of the Joker. Cool. I like you could use them for washi, but that's not one. Oh, another Christmas one. That reminds me of Christmas. That's what I'm saying. And then that's. So the reason I bought this little pack, I don't have the camera, but as you all know, I love doing my Smash book. And move stuff on my way here. I love doing the Smash book. And I'm always doing little pictures. Like, let's see, let's bring a recent one up. Of the kids, like I can take, maybe, let's see, Lakota likes blue. So I can go, I don't want the inside one, I want the outside. Okay. Oh, there's 2 frames on this. So, but, oh, it'll work. I can next time I cut it for the framing. So this one ain't gonna be perfect, but that's what I would use it for. I won't do this one because it's all wonky, because I would put this on and then I'd cut out the picture. Yeah. But that's my thought is could do that in my Smash book with us. So that's what I'm going to be using them for. Is in my Smash book. Now I gotta get that all back together. But so Els has her sales. Usually I think it's the 7th of each month. I think she had it a day late this past month, but I'm not positive of the reasoning. I kind of came in late, and then she asked if I could help her, and I'm like, sure. So, but that's why I bought all this little frames, because even this I put in there. It's a little. This one's like plastic, but I still could do it. You know, like maybe I could even. I can't get into this one. How do I get into that? Oh, here we go. It's cute. I mean, it's got this little thing, but I can snip that off to hold the picture. I just snipped it off, and I could do Riley, you know, or just like that, and it's not that thick. So that's why I bought it for my Smash book. See, I could do like a little frame of Riley or myself. So that's why I bought that pack of stuff. I thought it was a cool idea, and I just saw my Smash book in my head. So that Smash stuff is pretty cool. But yeah, I've been caught up in it the other day. So, but I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I will have BMA's Crafty Corner's channel linked in the description box below. So if you don't know anything about BMA's Crafty Corner in her sales, go check out her channel. Let her know if you're new that I sent you by. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. And have a good night. And in a half an hour's time at 6:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, Kathy's World and Friends is having bingo on her channel. I'll link that one just in case too, if you see this in between. As always, bye everybody. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Be nice to each other out there. And bye for now.